Hi everyone, I'm Pam and I run this Facebook group, Canva Creations with Pam, and I'm starting a new series, a weekly series. So every Monday there will be a video and a doc for you, and it will give you ideas on how to make money. So the very first one and the most obvious one for me is create printables in Canva. There is a lot of printable sellers out there, so don't get discouraged. You're going to see a lot, but remember, there's a lot of people, okay, that buy stuff. All right. So don't think that you can't do this. All right. Because you can't. You just have to make it work. All right. So first thing is one of the hot selling printables, journals, checklists, coloring pages, and trackers. Any kind of tracker. They are really good sellers, especially on Etsy. So what my recommendation is first do the research, go to Etsy, go in there, dig around, see what printables are selling, see what they're doing. Okay, don't copy from them, but see what kind of journals there are out there. See what kind of planners there are out there. There's even ones, if you niche down a bit more, you won't be in such a big pool, right? So if you niche down to, let's say, a meditation journal, meditation for women journal, checklist, spring cleaning, um, Airbnb or something like that. Like coloring pages. Let's see here, unicorn coloring pages, holiday coloring pages. Those will all be niche down and not as, there'll still be a lot, but if you niche down a little bit. But anyways, and then use Canva as your designer. You might bring in different fonts, you might bring in different elements. Just don't use too much of Canva stuff, and I'll explain that in later time. But there is a video in here that you just have to, I'll put it in, never mind, you don't have to search for it. I will put it in the comments, okay? It will go through what you can and cannot. So, but also, if you guys are in the treehouse in the Canva Clubhouse, I do have some information all about that. All right, so examples. Like I said, planners and journals are one of the highest things and easiest things to do, actually. Okay, planners, love them. Journals, checklists. So here I'm just giving you a list of all kinds of printables. Now, printables are things that you're going to create, going to download as a PDF, and then with your customer, you're either going to give them a PDF with the link to the product, or you're just going to give the PDF right to them. It just depends on what platform you're using and how it needs to be delivered. Okay, these are not templates. These are not templates that people can come back onto Canva and do. These are printables that you want people to print out, so that they can just have it. Okay, and so here in the stock, I'll give you some ideas. Remember, do not use Canva templates as a starting point. You can use it as inspiration, but you want to always start with your printable on a blank screen, a blank design. And you're going to want to do them different sizes. Like you always do an 8 by 5 by 11, but there is other sizes of journals. I think there's an A4, A5, 6 by 9. You just look to see in Canva, in Etsy, what is selling. Okay, and if you have Pro, it's easy enough to just do the magic resize. It's called Magic Switch, but Magic. Oh, actually, I'm in a dock, so but there is a resize button if you have Pro that you can just resize them all within just seconds. Okay, so like I said, how to make printables, how to make passive income. This is a product that you'll create one time and sell over and over and over again. So that's it. So think about if you create a journal today and people will still buy it next year or the year after. Okay, so that is bringing you money in whenever someone buys it, but you only created it one time. All right, so like I said, create in Canva, sell on Etsy, Gumroad, your website. There's all kinds of different places. Even you can even use Canva website, just have a link to the product. You can pay hip. That's another one. I put my stuff on Subtrio. It's a whole all-in-one website that I can do my email, I landing pages, everything in one area. Okay. If you are interested in that, just message me. Not message me, email me at Pam@PamAllenOnline, and I can go over some things with you about it. Okay. But let's get back to this. All right. And then you would promote on your social media, in your emails, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok. So sell them on TikTok. All right. So another thing is you can bundles work beautiful. So like if you have a bundle of coloring pages for a journal, if you have a planner with or a journal with bookmarks or a checklist with planners, those always are a great little package. All right, so next thing to do, because I'm trying to make this under 10 minutes. So I'm just going to show you a journal very briefly. I made this. You're going to want to have a cover page. I made this in Midjourney last year. And then, of course, the title and then how to use it. And I always like to put in a monthly calendar, some fun things to do for them, and then also some quotes. Okay, so that is, and with my journals, you don't have to do this. I do them by week too. So I will go to ChatGPT, say, hey, this is what my journal's about. Can I get some weekly activities that they can do? And then I just put it all together. So right here, week 1, I have a couple activities for them. I have this daily gratitude for the whole month. And then if they want to do some drawing or whatever in here, and then here are the prompts. And I created this prompts, or I went to ChatGPT for the prompts, asked for 31. I then copy and pasted, put in bulk create in Canva. I have videos on that. There'll be one in the comments. And that will make your journal, inside of your journal, within a minute, to be very honest. All you have to do is just put your prompts into Canva, bulk create app, and then it'll walk you through it, but it'll be so easy. And so I have some quotes. Like I said, whole bunch of fun stuff here. I don't just put journal prompts, okay? So then what you do is you package it all up together as a PDF, and then you create a mock-up, you do your product description, all that, and then you can start selling it, okay? So all of this that I just talked about, I put together in the template treehouse. So if you want more of a consistent way of making money, check out the template treehouse, okay? And I have templates for journals. I have the Etsy product description prompts. I have mock-ups. I have sales page prompts. Those are all in the template treehouse, okay? But number one way to make money is printables. Make them in Canva and sell them. All right? Thank you.